What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lake Erie Classic Cars. Today I've got a 1964 Chevy C10 in its beautiful two-tone paint with the yellow and the white. White wall wheels. Got the caps as well. This was a frame-off restoration. It's got a 350 in it. Edelbrock intake, HEI distributor. Transmission is a turbo 350. A custom brown interior. Power steering. Got this beautiful wood back here in the bed. Does have power brakes as well. And it also has been lowered. I'm sure you guys could have guessed that one. It also has hooker headers